just see her, so beautiful and sweet, with her hair and her actions more tame. She's probably less damaged and has a nice family, though my brothers would have loved you the same. You hardly wonder what I'm leaving up to these days anymore. Oh, happy last love. Hope she's everything that you dreamed of. I'll bet you bring her flowers you find by the road, and tell her she's pretty and make sure she knows. My hair back, said, what are you thinking? I almost told you that night, but the fool in me hit just as it always did. God, it hurts less if you